Wow, that's not the way I started. Totally did not want to start the video that way. Hi, okay. I haven't been recording at all. And this is why. Um, I don't know what the deal is. I'm just coughing up a lung every 5 seconds. But yeah, I hope to be doing new videos soon. Yeah, so that's about it. Just wanted to say hey. And there's a video of me and a friend of mine singing a duet. Well, actually, we kind of turned into it. We sang I Don't Want to Know by Mario Winans. You can go check it out on our channel, Enigma in a Conundrum. It's really fun. Yeah. Yeah, my friend raps like a total thug. Yeah. So, yeah, just wanted to say hi and, yeah, so, hi. Um, cool. So, guess that's about it. July 20th, Staten Island Yankees, whatever. So, toodles.